Louder. Give us malakas. Stand together. So Lisa, please make it louder.
Hi mga sis! Sinundo nga po pala kami ni Ninang Apple. May lakad tayo today. Kasama si Baby Kira at si Baby Kiro. Let's go! Eto po si Baby Kira, madam na madam. Super cute, di ba? Dati umiiyak siya pag kasama niya kami. Ngayon, gusto niya na kami. Friends na yung tawag niya sa amin.
Hello, ate. Siya meron siya.
Wala siyang earring, sayang ni ate.
Sayang daw.
And yes po mga sis, nandito na kami sa venue. And eto na nga po si Baby Kira. Eto na nga rin po si Ninang Apple. Madam na madam, alam na kung kanino nagpara si Baby Kira. Kasama din po namin si Tito Gerson. So ayun na nga, pasok na tayo sa venue mga sis. Ang team pala ng birthday ni Baby Jojo ay Aviation. Eto si Baby Jojo, super cute, nakakagigil. Ang astig ng setup ng birthday niya. Heto po yung papa ni Ninang Pami. Siyempre magbe-bless muna po kami. Heto po pala si Baby Jojo at ang mama ni Ninang Pami. Nandito na rin po sila Ninang Pami. Ayan, nag-change outfit na si Baby Jojo. Sobrang cute. Commercial. Flex muna daw ni Ninang Apple yung gift niya kay Baby Jojo. OMG! May face paint area. Siyempre, Gina G tayo dyan. Tignan nyo naman si Aling Maliit. Pumipili na siya ng design niya. Winnie the Pooh pala yung pinadrawing niya. Tapos, turn naman po ni Baby Kiro. Doraemon naman po pala yung pinili niya. And it's my turn! Papahuli ba naman ako? Siyempre, nagpa-face paint din po ako, mga sis. Para naman may iba, mga sis, butterfly yung pinalagay ko ngayon. O, diba? Ang ganda at ang aesthetic. Wow! Aesthetic pa nga, mga sis. Eto pala si Wally Juju. Nandito din siya. Kamukhang-kamukha niya si Ninang Pami. Ang gaganda at ang cute. Matangkad pa nga yata sa akin si Wally Juju eh. Tignan niyo naman si Madam Kira. Feel na feel niya yung kinakain niyang hotdog habang inintay niya ako. Eto naman yung super busy na mami na si Ninang Pami. Ayan, finally, tapos na ako mga sis. Flex ko muna. Model din pag may time. Flex din daw ni Baby Kira yung sa kanya. At syempre, yung kay Baby Kiro din. Wow! May food carts din pala dito. Meron juicy hotdog, french fries, at iba't ibang flavor ng milk tea. And party time is on! Ayan na, start na yung party mga sweet. Let's go!
Together with a love parents. That's the Mami Manalo Felix. I got the Patrick Felix once again. Please you be the light in the block. Jojo! Back down your hand. 3,000 guys, natulog po nila, natulog ni Stever. Nasa inahin mo kapuha ng mesa. Let's go guys. 7, 6, wala, meron po mga nasa ilalim ng lamesa. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Practice din lang po. Wala po po, alright? Exactly guys. 5 pesos, paper not coin. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry guys. Sit down. Guys, wala po ba limang piso? Ganito po ito guys. Okay, very good. Good job right there. Okay, so bigyan. Okay, very good. Okay guys, ganito lang. So, mabis ka. Okay, hello. Okay, what is your name, little girl? Love song! Play the music! I'm so sorry, wrong! So, ito, okay, that's it. Actually guys, Sir, Mami, what is the title?
Siya nga pala mga sis, may pop-up DIY booth din. Pwede ka mag-design ng wallet or bag na aligned sa theme. At dahil nga hindi sumama si Kaden, siya na lang yung pinagawa namin. Yay! Ayan si Kira mga sis, nagpaliptint na legit Madam Alert so fab. Magpapagroup picture na kasi kami dyan. Katapos namin magpa-picture, kainan na mga sis. Ayan pala yung handa ni Baby Jojo na napakasarap. Sobrang nabusog kami mga sis. Sulit na sulit yung pagdayo namin ng San Fernando. Thank you Baby Jojo!
Sige, pagitin mo. Ako nga pala si Toknoy. Louder! Give us malakas, come together! So listen, please make it louder and work longer! Happy birthday to you! Clap your hands! Ay, tayo, Patrick. Before you blow, close your eyes and make a...
Surgery and recovery was one of the hardest things to experience as a family. Sabi namin ng Bengali, ako na ang alwang na ako. But through it all, we thought that something powerful, that even the smallest hearts can carry the greatest strength. You are a survivor. Despite all of it, your smile never faded. And nasaitan, you always smile, never. We're so proud of you. And today, we want to thank God for giving us the opportunity to take care of you and your aunties in this lifetime. Especially our parents, Mama Mai, Mama Che, Papa Ju, and Papa Glenn. Our siblings, kahit po hindi namin sila kasama dito. Kuya Paway natin, Joy. Lola Chichong, Lola Ta. Ito si Chito Archie. For in our darkest moments, you have lit the way. To Tito Doc. There's Tito Doc. Thank you. Your love, knowledge, and experience led us to early detection and prevent worse outcome. Thank you for being God's wonderful instrument to the doctors, nurses, care for our son. We only not treated his heart, but we also comfort ours. To our donors, our families and friends, again and again po. Kahit ako ito kayo po mention. Your prayers, your messages, your visits, your support, they meant more than we can ever express. In our darkest moments, those who sat with us, brought meals, held our hands, or who simply showed up, thank you. You helped hold us up when we didn't know how to stand. Most of all, thank you, my baby Jojo. You've given us the reason to be stronger, to love harder, to appreciate every heartbeat. This day isn't just about adding another year to your life. It's about celebrating life in your years. We love you. We're grateful for you. Happy birthday.
Very happy that you are all there to stand by us, to support us in Jojo's operation. Here we all are in his first birthday. And then, yun nga, so of course, Tito Doc, thank you very much yeah, kasi wala akong card eh. But hindi, we are very thankful. We were able to survive this, and now we will do everything as a parent to help Jojo be the best and to grow God loving and mabait sa buong pamilya. And I think we wish Jojo all the best on his first birthday, and may he grow strong like me, smart like me, everything about me. And yun nga. Yung kadadalan okay din. Kahit about me na rin okay na rin. And thank you all for coming po.
Daddy Jackie. Okay. Over again, guys. Take it. Happy birthday, Jojo! Well,